Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to reintroduce myself. In the past few months, I gained a lot of subscribers. As of today of recording this video, I have 860 subscribers. Yay! But I feel like that's a lot of subscribers. There's a lot of viewers that's not subscribers. So I think that's probably because they don't know what this channel is about. I'm going to assume that's why they don't subscribe. As you can tell by the name of this channel, it's called Naturally Rose Hair Care. My name is Rose. I am a natural. I've been natural for the past 6 years. In this channel, I make videos how I take care of my hair, washing, styling, and maintenance. I also make little DIY of things that I find around the house, but that really work really well for my hair, like an avocado oil, like how I use aloe vera plant. So you will see all of these things in this channel. In this channel, you're also going to see a lot of like styling. I try to show how I wear my hair every day. So I turn the camera on to share my style with you. I don't wear wigs. I don't do braids. I do braid with my own hair. I don't do any added hair on my hair. So that's the type of things that you will see in this channel. Here and there, you might also see a little vlogs about me. Let's say if I go somewhere exciting, like vacation, I will share it with you all. But this channel is about natural hair. I am not a hairstylist. I do not have a certificate to do hair. I am not a hair guru. I am learning together with you all. As I am learning things, I like to do a lot of research. Then I will make a video about it and bring it to you all. But I am not a know-it-all. I am not going to say this is the way to do it. If you don't do it like this, your hair will not grow. This is not how things work. Everybody have a different way of learning, and there is a lot of research that need to be done when it's come to our hair. We grow up not knowing how to take care of our hair, so it's our responsibility to do a lot of research. I am not going to shove product on yourself because I don't believe in it. I believe on finding a product that works for you and you stick to it. So at the beginning in your journey, you might spend a lot of money buying different products, but once you find something that works well for your hair, please stick with it. Do not try every different product that's like, come out. You can if you can't afford it, and this is your choice. But I'm talking about me. I do not believe on trying a lot of different products. Not only sometimes it can get you setback for your hair, but it can be very pricey because everything is expensive now. So I like to find things that works for me, and I like to do make DIY. Like I make my own hair butter, rosemary water, rosemary oil, avocado oil, and aloe vera oil. These are the things that I have in my house. So I do my research, see what match with what, so I can use them to grow my hair. You might wonder what make me an expert. I am not an expert on hair, but I do. I've been natural for the past 6 years, and what that means is that I have never been to a hairstylist and never have anybody else touch my hair but myself. I cut all my hair off in 2018, and I've been learning and taking care of it since then. That doesn't make me an expert, but it makes me know a lot of my hair, what my hair wants, what my hair needs to thrive. So And another thing, I am Haitian, so I have an accent. If I say something that you do not understand, please leave it in the comment. I will try my best. I speak 3 languages. English is not my first language, so be nice. I think that's all. I just wanted to introduce myself and welcome all my new subscribers. And if you've been here from the beginning, thank you. I appreciate you. I remember back in March when I started posting in this channel, there was a lot that I had to learn, and you stuck with me all the way through. We are about to get to the 1,000 subscribers, so I appreciate you all. I love being here. I love creating video. I love learning about everything about YouTube, and YouTube is a wonderful place to learn about your hair and everything else. So there's like several, like hundreds of natural hair channel in this platform on YouTube. So do your research. Do not think that somebody else's hair is better than your hair. All hair beautiful in their own way. I appreciate you all. Please take care of yourself, take care of your hair, and take care of your family. I will hope to see you on my next video, and please subscribe this time. Bye.